BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I am your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 71 of season 3. Today's word is meticulous. The meaning of meticulous is showing great attention to detail, very careful and accurate. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word meticulous. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Meticulous is spelled as meticulous. Dr. Menon started a new multispecialty hospital in the suburbs of Mumbai. For the inauguration, he had invited a member of parliament. Naturally, he was very vigilant and he planned all the arrangements meticulously. Wasn't it easy to understand this word? Listen carefully how we can use the word meticulous in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. India has carried out several successful space missions. Each space mission is carried out only after meticulous and secret planning. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Macmillan is a Formula 1 racing champion. He has to remain extremely fit and healthy. Naturally, he is very meticulous about his diet and practice schedule. Example number 3 of 8. Premier Auto Limited signed a joint venture with a Swedish company. For this purpose, it had to fulfill several conditions because the Swedish company is very meticulous about its brand image. Moving on to example number 4 of 8. Mr. Shetty was elated since his team won the state-level football tournament. Do you want to know how did they win the tournament? Mr. Shetty and his team had made an elaborate plan and the team meticulously executed the plan on the field. Wow, now that's teamwork and excellent effort. Do you know that you can speak in English just like your mother tongue? Get in touch with our trainers for free evaluation of your English and train you to build on your English fluency. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Wendell is a well-known fashion designer. He designs clothes for celebrities and leading actors. He is always appreciated for his meticulous choice of the fabric, the accessories, and the design itself. Example number 6 of 8. Do you know about radioactive materials? Well, they are extremely dangerous and can cause mass destruction. Obviously, this kind of material should be handled meticulously. Example number 7 of 8. Patrick came second in his previous mathematics examination. This time, he was determined to top the exam and he meticulously practiced all the sums again and again. And yes, he came out a topper. Let us understand example number 8 of 8. The hill stations are known for their natural beauty, but the roads in the hilly areas are winding and dangerous. The tourists prefer to hire the local drivers since they know how to drive meticulously in those regions. Today we learnt the word meticulous, which means showing great attention to detail, very careful and accurate. Can you frame 3 sentences with meticulous and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 71 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.